All right, so now this one, it says select the correct answer from the drop-down menu. Use the equations to complete the following statement. One of these equations reveals that its extreme value without needing to be altered. So the extreme value in a quadratic equation is really the minimum or the maximum, right? So it's the vertex. One of these will tell us what the vertex is. So is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Well, one of these is written in the vertex form. So which one is written in the vertex form? Who remembers? Oh, let's see. So remember, the vertex form is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Which one is that? B. Hold on, let me switch real quick. Hello, this is Mr. Adams. Good morning. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Bye. All right. So equation B reveals it. And then what is the extreme value? Well, remember, this whole thing, the vertex form, is called the vertex form. Oops. It's called the vertex form because the vertex itself is actually the h and the k, right? H comma k. Now, because a is negative, there's a lot of questions. So because a is less than 0 or negative, that tells me that it opens down like this. So that means it's going to have a maximum. So this equation has a maximum, and it's at the point 2 comma 5, right? 2 comma 5. And that's it on that one. Phone call on everything.